What's up, beautiful, wonderful, peace loving people? It's me, your one and only King Casey Joe. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna make $300, $300 to $3,000 a day. Guys, this is serious. This is serious. You need to put in the work. If you know you're not going to try this out, you don't need to waste your time watching this video. So listen to me. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to make $300 to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. You can even make more if you put in the hard work. You need to put in work in this. Seriously, guys, you need to put in work. So the first step is to create a new Instagram account. As you can see, I already have one here. Create a new Instagram account. Once you're done creating the new Instagram account, you want to use the name should be Cats of Instagram, because the category of what we are doing is pets and animals. So you want to go and use the name Cats of Instagram. As you can see, mine here says Cats of Instagram. So you want to use Cats of Instagram. So once you are done putting the name Cats of Instagram, so you want to go into your on Instagram. Cats of Instagram. Okay, as you can see here, if you just search for only cats, this is going to pop up. So I'm going to select this Cats of Instagram. So before you try downloading videos or pictures from Instagram, you want to have your Instagram fast saver downloaded, so it will make everything easier. So here we're going to do this video right here. We're going to go and copy, and it will download automatically. So now what I want to do is get as much videos and pictures as we can. So we have our Instagram account, the Cats of Instagram. So now we want to upload like 10 or 5 posts a day or even more. So I made mine 5 posts per day. Then once we have like 5 posts or 10 posts here, what we want to do next is, I won't show you how to upload pictures or videos to Instagram. You already know that, so I don't want to take much of your time. So once you have 5 posts on Instagram, as you can see, mine says 5. You can do 5 per day, or you can do it 10 per day, or as many as you like. But make sure you keep updating. So what we want to do is go back to that Cats of Instagram where we got the pictures. They have 12 million followers. 12 million followers, guys. So what we want to do now is to go over to their followers and follow at least 100. We'll follow 100 accounts, Instagram accounts. Then we'll give a gap of 2, then we'll come back and follow 100 again. We want to continue do this continuously till we get 2,000 follow back, or 3,000 or 4,000 or more, because the more followers you have, the more money you're going to make on this, guys. Yeah, like I said before, if you know you're not going to try this out, just don't waste your time watching the video. But for those who are going to watch this video to the end and try out what I've taught them, they're going to make a lot of money out of this. So follow 100 Instagram accounts. Stick with me, guys. I'm going to show you how this works. sure you don't follow more than 100 accounts. So if you follow up to 100 accounts, you give a couple minutes or two, then you come back and follow another 100 accounts. So as you can see, our followers are growing. They are growing like new 6 followers right now. So what this is gonna is that when people get cats of Instagram, just follow their account. They love cats. That's why they followed this account where we got the pictures. So they would want to follow back. Yeah. And that's so once we have the amount of what we unfollow back, then move on to the next step. So we are done following 100 accounts. So we'll head back to our Instagram. I'm going to reload this. So when we started, we had followers. Now we have 19. We have 18. So before 24 hours, people follow. Some are probably going to follow back. Yeah. So this is the first step. The first step is create a new Instagram account. Use the name cats of Instagram. And pictures of cats. Upload them to your Instagram account. Upload like 5 or 10 pictures. People at least 100 people, 100, give 1 or 2 minutes gap. Then put on that. So why we are actually doing this is that we need followers in order to make money. So you get like 2,000 followers, 3,000 followers, or more. So we are done with the first step. So we are going to back to the next step. To go to my browser. I will start social So just like I said, if you know you're going to try this out, don't bother watching the video. Social Trader. Socialtrader.com. Search. So this is the first one that pops up is socialtrader.com. You see it with their logo S. So we're going to click on this. Right. So just take nice com. It is being sold for 100. You know how to onboard the create your Instagram accounts. Just on video. So this out. this account is actually $1,000. Like, it has 818,000 followers, and it's being sold for $16,000. Now think about using three or Instagram account, $818,000, each for $16,000. So this one has 3K followers, and it's being sold for $150. So we create our Instagram accounts, get followers, and we come here and trade it for cash. How easy is that? Damn. So that's how easy it is to make $6,000 per day. $6 per day. I want you to look at that subscribe button right there. Go ahead and smash it. Yeah, smash it. Hit on notification button. Icon beside. So whenever I upload also amazing content like this, money making videos, you'll be notified. And when you're the first to notified, be the first to make the most out of it. That's it for today, guys. It's me, your one and only king, KC Joe. Go ahead in the section, like the comment section, and comment hashtag make money on